آج بھی زینب کی آتی ہے صدا بہائی حسین، آج بھی زینب کی آتی ہے صدا بہائی حسین،
اللہ
تیرا چہرہ تیری آنکھیں
اللہ
بھول کب پائی حسین، آج بھی زینب کی آتی ہے صدا بہائی حسین، چلتے نا کے سے گرایا
یا حسین،
خود کو جلتی ریت پر چلتے نا کے سے گرایا خود کو جلتی ریت پر گھٹنیوں کے بل میں تیری لاش تک آئی حسین، تیرا چہرہ تیری آنکھیں بھول کب پائی حسین، ارے بس میں گھبرائی تھی خنجر تجھ پہ چلتا دیکھ کے، بس میں گھبرائی تھی خنجر تجھ پہ چلتا دیکھ کر، پھر کسی مشکل میں گر کر میں نہ گھبرائی حسین، ہاتھ میں کوزے لیے سب آسماں تکتے رہے، ہاتھ میں کوزے لیے سب آسماں تکتے رہے، ابر نے ایک بوند پانی کی बरसाई हुसैन आज भी ज़ैनब की आती है सदा बहाई हुसैन. When I saw the audience and Misama was crying, and at the same time I felt that what I had planned earlier to deliver my salam with emotions, I am somehow able to deliver in the same way that I had expected.
Well, of course, accent. Very, very heartfelt, very soothing,
Thank you.
very hurtful. How do you feel after that?
Alhamdulillah.
You feel good?
Alhamdulillah.
Okay. Alhamdulillah. So Mason has made you quite emotional.
Yeah.
Tell us about how that went.
I think on one of the earlier episodes, I said that I don't know whether it's the contestant or the poetry that you've heard and you've connected to, but I think I found my answer. It's not really the poetry that I've connected to. It's because I've heard it so many times. It's like these type of recitals become quite stale, actually, and stale, and not in a bad sense. I mean to say, like, you've heard it so many times. But honestly, the way you've recited it today, it reignited a new love for inside of me for this poem, and also the way you recited, it was so technically advanced. I mean, if I put my emotions aside and I critique you based on your the way you were using your breath, it was a breathy voice, but I could never hear you breathe in between the words. It tells me very, very advanced. You were playing around, especially in the last stanza. You showed me a half note low and a half note high. I noticed everything, but it didn't take me away from the feeling. The technicalities didn't take me away from the emotions. And usually sometimes people, which I was telling to one of the earlier contestants, don't show it too much. Don't point it out. Don't take me away from the emotion. You did that. You kept me in the emotion. You did what you had to do, but you still kept me connected.
Is that performance what you call a marthia?
No, and this is a salam or so salam. Like it's a couplet, and then the shout out to the actual poet who is alive in Karachi. His name is Mir Ahmad Naved. Very, very beautifully recited today. I have no words. I want to say more, but I can't.
Thank you. Sayyid Mason, Mullah Nazar.
MashaAllah, Brother Amir Ghazi, beautiful recitation. I can see in your biography you are a structural engineering,
Yes.
You structured your recitation in very beautiful way.
Thank you.
Wallahi, very beautiful way. And it looks like you calculated everything.
Thank you.
Yeah. The good thing is that you know where is your area of voice.
Okay.
I mean, the range of the voice is very wide, yeah? You were playing in your area without any mistake. It's better. You tried some time to go a bit higher. Even I mentioned to Sayyid Ammar. Yeah. And you came back. That's not my area. That's not my place. I have to go back to my area and play as I like.
Dear Amir, in every art we do, there is something called delivery. In lecture, there is a delivery, which is the resolution. In recitation, the delivery is the feeling. What do you give the audience? Okay, we talk about technicals, we talk about tunings, but by the end of the day, it's the delivery of the feeling. Since the start, and as Mullah Nizar said, you knew how to play with your range. You became too smart with it. You went to the lowest. You are possibly controlling to the highest. Everything was beautiful. I was in love, even though, again, I didn't understand the words, but I was captivated by the performance.
Thank you.
Ahsantum. And Sayyid Ammar.
Just a thank you and a shout out to the Bristol community. Sometimes there are communities in the UK, very small communities, but they've been there for years. A very small community, and I know the Maulanas and the families in the mosque there. So you have done them proud tonight, and you can tell it was emotional. Really well done, and thank you for coming.